Hi everyone, welcome to Aya. It has been 5 months since I've had my machine, and I just wanted to go over a foot accessory that I got that I find very helpful. So the foot is a rolled hem foot. It's designed to sit on your sewing machine like this. Your needle goes up and down through here, and your fabric feeds through these loops here. This is the, I believe it is the 1/4. So I ordered this with my machine and also this one, which is slightly smaller, identical foot, and this one is the 1/8. So these are the packages that it came in. It's made by Great Knives, and it has the part numbers for Great Knives. This one is for this. This one is the 1/8. I ordered these off of the Singer part manual that I have attached in my group on Facebook page under JUKI 9000 C users. So if you want to go there, you can see the parts manual. But I ordered these from there through my dealer, and I'll give you an example of what this can do. So I currently have my zipper foot on the machine. I'm going to take it off and switch it to the 1/4 inch rolled hem. So to do that, I'm just going to loosen this screw. I do this with my machine off. I have the FMS model. So with the machine off, I am able to take this lever and move it around freely. If the machine was on, pressure would be on here and I would not be able to move it. So take this foot off. I'm going to put this foot on. So I actually have this foot on my domestic machine, and the way I use it there is I just take this flat fabric, feed it under, let that locking stitch happen, and straight stitch a little bit. Without cutting my string, I raise my foot. That way I have some string here, and I use this as a guide, lift up my foot, to feed the fabric into this foot. Now what I want it to do is take up some fabric so that it curves over. Let's see if I can get you in a little closer. See how here, I'm going to want it to roll over as it goes. Here it's not so pretty because I'm trying to do this one-handed and it's not working too well, but we will continue. As you can see, it is starting to roll as I sew. The only thing I'm doing is basically making sure that my tension is even. I'm holding it back a little bit to keep my fabric straight. And it is rolling. Went off track a little. It is rolling that fabric onto itself. The end result is this. Nice even seam there. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Nice even seam there, and on the flip side, it is tucked under nicely as well. I find that this foot is the most helpful foot that I have for this industrial machine so far, for when I am making my cultural dance skirts. To give you an idea of how much of a time saver this hemmer foot is, starting right now is a 57-second time lapse of the 7 minutes that it took me to hem the bottom of one of my dance skirts. That's all for today. If you have any questions or pointers, please leave them in the comments below. If you're interested in joining our Facebook group, it's JUKI 9000 users, where there's a group of us that have this machine and we're trying to explore and learn it together. So we're more than happy to have users join us there. Until next time, happy sewing!